Start some lateral raises.
Let's go.
Let's go. 5 reps. Come on. My name is Tony. I'm 33 years old. I've been a Happy Head client for 8 months now, and I am a personal trainer. 6, come on. 7, 3 more. 8. My family definitely noticed me losing my hair. My brother was one of the first ones that pointed out to me repeatedly. Was kind of poking fun at me about it.
Damn, bro, your hair looks really good.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you buttering me up. You're not gonna make this workout any easier.
Hey, bro, now I'm balding.
Let's go. 5 reps and we're gonna get that hair back, I promise you. So my dad has a full head of great hair. He's 67 years old, but my grandpa went bald, mainly in the crown area, and then my uncles as well went bald. So I knew I got it from somewhere. It wasn't my dad.
For all that crap I gave you, now I'm going through it.
It happens, bro. It's your karma. No, it's more genetic, bro. It happens to all of us, but you just got to do something and be consistent. Let's go. 5 more. Come on. Being a personal trainer, appearance is everything. As much as a lot of people don't want to say that or admit it, in my line of field, it is everything. The good thing about Happy Head is the dutasteride and minoxidil is in one thing. So you don't have to put minoxidil and then take a finasteride pill. You can just do it once, twice a day. Literally takes 20 seconds, then you're good to go.
Yeah, I need something easy, something quick.
Yep, I know, you don't like being meticulous.
Yeah.
I can't even begin to explain the amount of confidence that I've got just in the last few months of knowing that I have good hair finally. I am a personal trainer, but a lot of it is getting new clients. So approaching that sales aspect a little bit differently with more confidence means everything. I apply the dutasteride minoxidil treatment twice a day. Once in the morning while I'm getting ready, brushing my teeth, takes 2 minutes, and then right before I go to bed. So has not affected me at all. You just got to be consistent, and that consistency doesn't take much. Happy Head is a little bit more expensive than the other products that I've used in the past, but that wasn't my issue. My issue was avoiding side effects and getting good progress, and that's exactly what I've got. It's priceless to me.
Good morning, Tony. Welcome. This is Dr. Benham. I'm the founder and chief medical officer at Happy Head. Welcome.
Nice to meet you, Dr. Ben. I'm excited to be here with you today. I'm a very resourceful person, so having someone like Dr. Ben a touch away to answer any questions I have of any of the products or side effects or anything that may come up is very helpful.
How's the product been working out for you?
4 months in, really started coming in the temple area here on the line, like more miniature hairs coming in. My hairline actually got better as well.
That's great. That's amazing. Can we take a look? Do you mind taking the laptop? I just want to take a look on the top.
Yeah,
because I've seen that this is amazing. I mean, I've seen your photos when you initially submitted it, and it was way emptier, and this is right now way thicker. So this is great. It makes me very happy.